time to finish the NASCAR exhaust. After we finish, we're gonna take a road trip to a secret location. We need to fix the sag. We need to fab up a mount. Gotta get rid of this concrete tie wire. Make some type of adjustable mount. Oh, and we gotta fix this issue. Come up with something better than that. First thing we gotta do is take this thing back off. Shouldn't be too hard. It's just some wire and a snapped off screw. Oh, I just snapped my drill bit. Great. Sorry about that. Just had to go find my dogs. Well, the self-tapper really turned into a terrible idea. Ow! Almost chopped my finger off just then. Alright, let's talk about the tips. I'm gonna cut a slit and then weld a nut on either side of the slit. Jam a bolt through it. Done. Clamp. Over here, threaded rod. Some type of tab on the pipe. Not on top, not on bottom. Boom. Then we're ripping. Let's do this. I'll explain as I go. This is what we're doing. One of these goes there. Another one goes there. We're gonna drill out the threads on one of them so that this bolt will go through one of them and catch the other one. Do that on both sides. First thing we gotta do is drill this bad boy out. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna weld this. It's gonna close this gap. All right, this is what we're looking at. Does that make sense? I think you get it. Let's go ahead and test fit the old clampers. This is what we got. Clamp there, and clamp there. You just come back in and clamp it down. Those are super tight. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna weld this threaded rod to the frame rail. We're gonna weld this strut nut to the pipe. This is a 1/2 inch strut nut. This is 3/8 rod. The 3/8 rod goes through the 1/2 inch. And then these will be our adjuster nuts. Look, I don't have a reason why all my solutions are with strut parts, okay? I don't actually know why. Maybe because I have a lot of scrap strut parts. Maybe if it wasn't such a good problem solver. It's basically Legos. Anyways, let's get this thing welded on there. There it is. It can loosen this nut, tighten the bottom nut. That is absolutely rigid. So that's as high as it can go. Well, it's the next day. Let's take a road trip to Nashville Super Speedway. We're gonna cruise the back roads and the highways. Beautiful day out. Air is nice and crisp. Perfect. Let's get some fuel, hit the road. Cold start. Well, I just found some coolant on the ground. My lower rad hose is leaking for some unknown reason. So I thought I'd relieve some pressure and it blew up in my face. Completely covered in coolant. Back on the road. I don't think my thermostat opened yet. Got in my eyeball. We'll check it in a minute. Might have to tighten that hose clamp a little bit. O'Reilly's. Let's see what we got. don't have any tools, not even a flathead screwdriver or a Leatherman. I'm gonna go buy a stupid screwdriver. Let's see if she's leaking. I think it's just a touch loose, that's all. Let's get a screwdriver and fix that. Clamp was loose. That took 9 years though. All right, let's get out of here. Boy, giddy up. All right, we're out here. That's the Speedway, Nashville Super Speedway. Cruising the F-250 out here on a beautiful Sunday, seeing what's happening at the Speedway. Never been here. Wonder if they'll let us drive on the track. I doubt it. The guy at the front desk was nice enough to let me in, get some footage. What a beautiful place. Nice. We got the old Ford right here. Mission complete.